Hey everyone, it's Megan with Craft Express, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tumbler with our Craft Express tumbler press. Tumblers are hugely popular, not only for sublimation hobbyists, but also for small businesses. It can't be overstated how much people are willing to spend to have a tumbler with their child's picture on it or a one-of-a-kind design. We have a few examples of some tumblers that we've made already, but today we're going to show you how to make a 20-ounce tumbler all by yourself. Let's get started. First, we've printed out our design using a sublimation printer on sublimation paper. Now right now this design is a little bit dull, not very vibrant, but with the proper time, temperature, and pressure, this design will pop on our Craft Express tumbler. First, we're going to tightly wrap our tumbler with our transfer paper. Then we're going to tape up our entire tumbler so that the edges are fully covered with heat-resistant tape. From there, we're going to slide our tumbler into our heat press and close it up. Now you want to make sure that our heat press is set at 385 degrees. We're going to press this for 1 minute. We want to press this tumbler with a medium pressure. The way you can adjust your pressure is by using the knobs on the back end of your press. When your minute is up, you'll open your heat press. Then you'll want to rotate your tumbler. We have some pliers covered with some fabric to make it easier. We're going to reach in here and rotate our tumbler just a little bit because part of your tumbler is not being covered by your press when you're pressing it. And by turning it, you're going to make sure that every part of your tumbler is evenly pressed on all sides, leaving no white space. Now we're going to close up our tumbler for another 60 seconds. When your tumbler is done, you're going to open up your press and take out your tumbler. Then you'll want to quickly remove your tape and your design from your tumbler. And after you take your tumbler out of the press, be sure to use a glove because it's very hot. But we love the way this turned out. The colors are so bold and vibrant. So thank you all so much for watching us. We'll be back with more educational content. Bye!